This is our room. We just checked in. Okay. Ashley's showing us the, what is that?
We have robes and slippers.
Okay, we got robes and slippers. Cute. Oh. The mirror. Hello, we look busted right now. So tiny sink. This is literally it. Like, okay, it's like bed. But the view is immaculate. Like, look at that view.
You pay for the view. You
pay for the view. It's so nice. We're like in a 9th floor, right?
Glenn's suitcase is the size of the room, so I don't know how this is gonna work.
Like, this is, yeah, this is so tiny. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna put my clothes in a suitcase. Hey guys, we're in New York. So I'm with my best friend Ashley. So we're going to Brooklyn Bridge and shoot some content there and
walking there.
Yeah, we have to walk because it's only 13 minutes away. Walk because if we're gonna ride Lyft, it's gonna take us forever. And the freaking traffic in New York is unbelievable. So yes, we're just trying to walk, and we have, this is her fit, but you're gonna see it later. Yeah. Like fit. And I have like literally different fit, thrifted, Zara, and Zara. So it's my fit from Oh my goodness. So we are ready to go, and we're just, yeah, this is our room. Like, our room is like
literally the
size of her closet, and it's just bizarre. Like, it's so small, it's so tiny, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna take more content here in the bed, like probably our last day around here too. It's really nice, it's cute.
Yeah, like every corner is a photo of,
but it's just so small, like it's tiny. But yeah, we are ready, and you guys are gonna come with us. Okay, my goodness. Like, look, I thrifted this for $2. Like, this is so cute. Like, thrifted it for $2. Nails, by the way. Cute nails. Cute. Okay. And look at our view. Look how gorgeous our view. I know it's like a just buildings, but that's New York for you. Buildings. More buildings. Look at that view. We're walking to Brooklyn Bridge. We got some coffee, and yeah, it's a lot of walks. Oh god, how many minutes away are we? How many minutes, bitch?
4.
Okay, 4 more minutes. We're in the bridge. The bridge, so nice. We gotta take pictures here too. She's gonna change her shoes.
Oh god, I'm gonna get hit.
There's so many people in here.
I'm gonna get run over while I'm in the heels.
We're just changing shoes right now, and we're gonna take a picture of this, like, of this view. But look how pretty that is. So freaking cute. Look at this view. Old building. We're in the bridge. We just got done shooting content here. And this is our full outfit. Cute. Yay! You're gonna see it on her Instagram page, which I'm gonna put it in the description box. Go follow. And the bridge. Yeah, this is, we try to take a picture here so you guys can see the bridge, and yeah, it's really nice. It's the view. We literally had to like walk, like we walked for like 13 minutes, right? Literally 13 minutes. It's so freaking hard. Thank God I'm wearing shoes, but she's gonna change in like a shoe so it's more comfortable. So freaking nice in here. And the coffee gave me a little bit energy, but I got, like, you know, the monthly visitor, so my stomach's a little bit hurt, but other than that, look at this view. So cute. I think we're gonna go, do we have to go to back to our hotel, change, and go to
Ew, it's butt rubber.
Yeah, because there's like a walking lane and there's like a bike lane, and people were trying to take a picture there, which is like a bike lane, and a lot of people were getting mad. But yeah, we're gonna go change and go to our like second location for today. But everything's good. Going back to our hotel, change there, and then we're gonna go to Soho and shoot another content for Instagram. And tomorrow we have a long day tomorrow as well, so hopefully I bought my charger camera charger, so I can vlog tomorrow as well. And yes, it's gonna be a fun, I would say, business trip, because it's more like content. We're shooting like some content, but yeah, it's easier if you guys are planning to go in like a Brooklyn Bridge. Make sure you get all the energy of walking, because it is a lot of walking. Our hotel, like I said earlier, is only like 13-minute walk, but that's like a long walk still. And yeah, I'm like sweating, but it's like 60-something degrees and I'm sweating. So anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys later when we're back in our hotel, or if there's something, you know, new or whatever. Hello! Outfit number 2. Oh, just got that. Wait a minute. But yeah, outfit, top Aritzia, Zara at this point, sponsor us please. You're literally taking all our money. Yeah, so, and then boots is this platform from Doc Martens right here. And then I'm changing a bag from Angela Roy, their vegan leather bag. This is gonna be cute. So that's my little OOTD. Look at our hotel. It's like a disaster. I feel like it's typhoon. It just came in there. But yeah, we walk, and I feel like I burned 5 or 10 pounds at least. So yes, I think I'm gonna wear different accessories. What you guys think? And I'm not wearing any bra, just this top. There you go. So yeah, she's just trying to come up with an outfit. Damn it. And look, you guys, she got her own makeup mirror bag that I got her, and I got mine too. We're literally twinning. So cute. Change of outfit, that's not even a question. Okay, so as a Gemini, this bitch is wearing, so I gotta match her energy. So she's wearing this beautiful outfit, cute, at thrifted boots. It's so nice with some prints and like very flory.
Western boots are all the hype right now, and mixed prints all the hype.
Yes, she look fucking hot. And then I have to match her energy, so I'm doing for like a little Bruja look moment in here, like this hair. Top Zara, both Zara. Like I said, at this point, Zara, if you're not sponsoring this brand, please. Yeah, the skirt, I love it. Yellow, I don't know why it looks white, but this is very much yellow. And then shoes are from Gucci, which is a pop of color. Very cute with white toes. So those are look for today. We're here at this nice restaurant. I think it's Goli, and look at that. If you know, you know. We just got done shooting too, so we're eating dinner. I have some Moscato, and what do you got? Red wine? I don't know what it's called. She got like a red wine. We're waiting on our food. We got some truffle fries. What do you have? Beef what? Beef ragu. Okay, and I got some carbonara. Yum. On our way back to our hotel, we just got done finished eating dinner.
We're so full.
So full, look at this. So cold. Yeah, so we're out here in the streets of New York with nipples showing out. And then yeah, so we're fucking chilly as shit. We are back home. No, we're not back home. We're back in our hotel. We're back in our hotel. Ashley's taking a shower, and then I'm just doing my face, and after that I'm gonna take a shower as well. But you guys, look at this view. Look at that view at night though. Like, it's so cool at night. I'm trying to like put my outfits together for tomorrow because we're gonna go to 2 different places tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to put my outfit together, try to clean it a little bit because it's a little bit messy right now. So you guys can see the TV. We have a TV going around. Okay, what's going on here? But yeah, just the mirror. Very cute. I brought my own nightgown. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. How's the water? Is it hot? Ashley, is it hot? Okay, so I'm gonna take the shower after her. Okay, the lighting of this like mirror here, it's like perfect. It's perfect. So they got this like little cute, hold on, like this cotton balls, but I bought like my own like reusable cotton pads. So yeah, this is like 1 wash, and I bought like 6 of them, so it should be good. And have like my micellar water and like my kale cleanser there. I didn't get too much because we're literally just gonna be here for like a couple of days, so just there. And just put that back. Yeah, I love the sink. Really tiny sink. So anyway, besties, I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow again. And I didn't bring the camera with me when we went to the restaurant because I have my small LV bag, and the mini pochette will not fit with the camera. I mean, the camera will not fit on the mini pochette. So anyways, I'm just waiting on her for her to be done on the shower so I can take a shower so we can sleep peacefully. And we're gonna have more, we're gonna shoot more content tomorrow. And also so tomorrow is gonna be Friday, and then also Saturday we're gonna try to wake up early so we can shoot inside here for more like paid collaboration and like content. I need to, because I have like 3 or 4 paid collaborations that I need to shoot, so I'm gonna take advantage of that like the view in this like room is really nice. So yes, don't worry, like I said, I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna try to find my charger on this camera so I can charge it tonight. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and me and Ashley will see you tomorrow. Bye.